This video will demonstrate how to use the addition mat to introduce the concept of subtraction to a Year 1 class. It is important to model all three types of subtraction when introducing the concept of subtraction so that children can identify a subtraction problem when it is presented to them in the form of a story. Here are 3 rock pools on a sandy beach. I love looking for treasures at the beach. Let's look in the rock pools and see what treasures we can find. Look! I found a pet rock. Look! There are lots of pet rocks in the rock pool. How many are there? How will we find out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pet rocks in the rock pool. Aren't they interesting? In fact, they're so interesting, I might take one home to show my brother. So we have 7 pet rocks, and I will take away 1 pet rock and put it in my pocket. How many pet rocks are left in the rock pool? How will we find out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pet rocks left in the rock pool. How many pet rocks did I begin with? 7. How many pet rocks did I take away? 1. How many pet rocks are left? 6. So I had 7, I took away 1, and I left 6 pet rocks in the rock pool. So the difference between 1 and 7 is 6. Let's try finding the difference in another story. These pet rocks are so interesting, I want to have lots of them. I've decided I want to have 10 pet rocks. At the moment I only have 7 pet rocks. How many pet rocks do I need to make a total of 10 pet rocks? How will I work it out? Let's think about the strategies we used in addition. We have 7 and we need to get to 10. Let's count on from 7 until we get to 10. I'll put 7 over here and I'll count on over here. So let's start with 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop, we've reached 10. That's the amount of rocks I want. Now let's see what the difference between 7 and 10 is. Let's count the pet rocks that we've added to the group to make 10. 1, 2, 3 pet rocks. I needed 3 more pet rocks to make my group of 7 pet rocks into a group of 10 pet rocks. Now let's for fun let's just play around with this a bit. 7 add 3 is 10, which means that 10 take away 3 is 7, and 10 take away 7 is 3. Isn't that interesting? Okay, now I have one more story for you where you need to find the difference. The big rock pool has 7 pet rocks in it. The small rock pool has 3 pet rocks in it. How many more pet rocks does the big pet rock pool have than the small rock pool? How will we work it out? Let's look at the groups side by side and compare them. So when we line them up together, we can see that these 3 pet rocks are the same as these 3 pet rocks. So how many are left? What's the difference? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pet rocks more in this group, and another way of saying that is that there are 4 pet rocks less in this group. So 4 is the difference between this group of pet rocks and this group of pet rocks. So the difference between 3 and 7 is 4.